Hello, we're from the CHIHO Machine. So I'm John. And now I will show you in English how to use the CNC Stirrup machine. So here I include the machine belt and another the steel bar pointer rotating way of 10 system. So okay, for the machine itself, we have a two. This one, the mechanical. Here the mechanical wear component. We have a strengthening unit and the tooling system, fitting system, and the cutting, the cutting blade, and the hole cutting, and the bending ball here. You see? So, and another is the electrical component. We have a screen controlling. Here we have a touch screen, and all the bottom emergency, satellite alarm, and the forward and backward for the menu, and the stop and start button. Okay, here the function for the menu function 1, 2, 3. Number 1 is the straight forward and backward. Number 2 is the bend forward and backward. Number 3 in the cutting for forward and backward. Okay, 1, 2, 3. And so we have the 3 servo motor with the base C is the 2.6 kilovolt, and this the model for diameter 6 to 12. We have a motor 3.8. Okay, and we also have gearbox and the gear and the electrical button inside. So all the strengthening ball here we make the which is steel SKD11 SKD. All here the SKD with the hitting with the SRC with a 56. Yeah, the whole cutting and the cutting black and bending ball. All the SKD11. Okay, I agree. Okay.